Well, in a significant development, the Supreme Court has agreed to review its controversial judgment on the Draconian Prevention of Money Laundering Act, or the PMLA, specifically citing two problematic aspects of the law that need review. These are the reverse burden of proof, where essentially an accused is assumed guilty until proven innocent, and that the ED is not required to give a copy of the case report to the accused, which essentially means that if you're arrested by the Enforcement Directorate, you won't even be given the reasons why. The Supreme Court issued a notice to the Centre today on the plea that was filed by Congress MP Karti Chidambaram, seeking a review of the July ruling by a bench that was led by Justice Khanwilkar, who then retired. My colleague Arvind Gunasekar joining us for more on that big story. So Arvind, what happens from here?
Yeah, Nidhi, after admitting the review petition that was filed by Congress MP Karti Chidambaram seeking a review or reconsideration of the PMLA judgment that was given by Justice Khanwilkar-led bench on July 27, today the Supreme Court has issued notice to centre government on the review plea that has sought for review of the July 27 judgment. The Supreme Court said that prima facie they have found that two aspects need to be reviewed or reconsidered in this entire judgment. One pertains to not providing the copy of ECIR. ECIR all this while has been an internal or confidential report of the Enforcement Directorate, though it's called as equivalent to FIR, but that has not been given to the accused, so the accused does not even know whether the Enforcement Directorate even investigating him or her for what reason. That's something that the Supreme Court said that needs to be reconsidered. The second very important point is the reverse burden of proof. Though all other agencies, all other police agencies, the agencies have to prove the person accused as guilt or not, something that was the burden was on the agencies, but only in the PMLA case, the Enforcement Directorate investigation, the burden was on the accused, whereas the accused has to prove his innocence in order to get a bail. And that's why Supreme Court said that even this particular aspect that was upheld by the earlier judgment also needs to be reconsidered, and that's why Supreme Court said that prima facie they have found these two issues need to be reconsidered. They have issued notice to centre, but the petitioner side has said not just these two issues, several other issues of the judgment should also be reconsidered, but the Supreme Court said that whatever issue you can give it to the bench, but Supreme Court has issued notice to the centre and they have posted this matter for a new bench to hear this matter in further course.
Right, Arvind, so significant there, and in fact many of the problems that the PMLA has or has been criticized for do stem from these two particular aspects of it. Thanks very much for joining us.